Okay, here is a 52-inch antique brass Moss Tropical Breeze Deluxe ceiling fan. I wanted to make an update video for this fan since it now has the original blades. Got this fan from Dan Newman 2 summers ago. Didn't come with a switch cap, so I added this 5-way light kit on it. Looks really nice on here. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a 3-way setting. It's only all on or all off. So this fan has reversible cane to, I believe that's oak, maybe walnut blades. There's the top. There's a sticker up there somewhere. The finish on the down rod is coming off, as you can see. Probably from me sliding the canopy up and down it so many times. And it didn't come with the original mounting bracket, so I'm just using a basic ball and socket. And now we'll demonstrate it. There's the light. Have 5 CFLs in there, pretty bright. And here is low. Medium. Does have a bit of a wobble to it. In case you remember, the reason this fan didn't have the original blades on it is because the caning had a really bad odor on it that was like, it was so bad it would make you sick. So basically I just had the blades in just sit in a bag with baking soda in them out in my dad's shed, and they were probably out there for like a year, and I finally got them out to replace the baking soda. But when I smelled them, the smell was probably about 90 to 95% gone, so these blades are finally usable again. The smell isn't completely gone, but it's definitely bearable. Now for high. This fan's a really good air mover. I can feel a breeze from all the way over here. So there you go. This is my 52-inch Moss Tropical Breeze Deluxe ceiling fan. One of two, that is. Once again, I just want to make an update video for this fan because it now has the original blades on it. Personally, I think this fan looks really nice, especially with the caning on the blades. So that's all there is to say. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. The Russian Fazbear, out.